Hello guys, and welcome back to another exciting video from Cardano News Today. Today in this video, we will be discussing and sharing the most vital news and updates on Cardano, price updates and price analysis, and price prediction on Cardano. Make sure to stay with us until the end. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let's begin. Yesterday, founder of crypto capital venture Dan Gumbardello sparked interesting conversation on Twitter. He tweeted, quote, "Cardano is truly boring at present, yet that doesn't mean it's not probably the best open door in crypto." The Twitter crypto community went into a frenzy. Of course, the tweet earned various reactions from the community. Some really expressed that they were unsatisfied with how Cardano or ADA is performing at present. One Twitter user at Slycast512 said that Cardano is killing dreams and that meme coins are improving. This user kept on saying that he's exceptionally disappointed in ADA. Another account user at Variable Helix noted that the ADA has had and is having a rough patch at the present time. Nonetheless, if some figure isn't a happy time for Cardano, the asset's reliable supporters accept otherwise. Especially one reply from Digital Asset News certainly stood out. The account mentioned, quote, "I brought in the entirety of my money when it's boring." Perhaps he was relating to the digital assets overall. Nonetheless, Dan Gumbardello answered this tweet saying, "This is the winning mindset." Despite the fact that the crypto community's reactions contrast, one thing remains valid, that Cardano still belongs to the top 5 coins as indicated by CoinMarketCap. Besides, in Cardano community's Twitter account, Cardano as of late shared that it has arrived at a staggering 2 million ADA wallets. Prior to that, Cardano's foundation has also shared its coordinated effort with Rival to make and distribute NFTs. These main features show that Cardano still has something to offer. Who knows, perhaps it's boring at the present time. However, tomorrow, it may suddenly surprise the crypto community. Until further notice, the public can just look out for how things will go for Cardano. Additionally, Cardano has been on the front line of development with regards to smart contracts ability. Since the time smart contracts debuted on the blockchain, high traffic has been expected for the network. Smart contracts on Cardano has been in the works for a really long time and were one of the most expected upgrades in the space. Since this is a reality, the developer has needed to continue on to building further capabilities to oblige the expected traffic increase. Hydra was worked to account for increased traffic on the network. A Layer 2 solution like Hydra provides the genuinely necessary scalability to maintain high throughputs for the applications on the blockchain. Hydra will also assist with directing fee rates on the blockchain, consequently giving satisfactory fee structures to the users. This makes it an extremely useful solution, and Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has repeated the significance of the solution to the network. Charles Hoskinson coordinated an AMA or Ask Me Anything session on YouTube, where members of the community had the option to send in questions they might want answered. It was during one of these questions that the significance of Hydra was emphasized by the founder. By Hoskinson's own admission, an extraordinary measure of work was being placed into the Layer 2 solution. The capabilities that Hydra provides the network have been one of the most urgent developments by the developer. Cardano is expecting high traffic on the network, and Hydra will ensure that the network is ready to process the increased transactions in a timely and systematic fashion. Hoskinson explained that the team was placing more resources into the venture because it's such a high commercial priority. Cardano's DeFi community is still in its early phases. As the community finds its footing, traffic on the network will spike intensely. When this happens, Cardano will get hammered by an enormous measure of traffic, said Hoskinson. Hydra is a necessity for that. Hoskinson refreshed the community on the expected dispatch of the ERC20 Cardano converter. The founder confirmed that the Singularity Net was presently in the process of movement. The converter is meant to target 2 main parts of the undertaking, the main chain and Mamba. With the arrival of Plutus, the network has had the option to start working on the main chain and has presumably gained some headway in this regard. As for Mamba, the two-way bridge is being created for it. The drawn-out goal is mechanization and spanning, so it's easy to move between and wrap assets, etc. We view it as a decent commercial tool. At the point when individuals come and they need to migrate, there's a process, a team, and a collection of competencies there. Hoskinson held his AMA session from Ethiopia and Africa, where he's presently touring and meeting up with projects building on the Cardano blockchain. The tour has been successful so far, with numerous reassuring news coming out. Egypt will be the last touchdown for the founder, after which the tour will formally come to an end. Moreover, ADA Labs team wishes to personally thank everybody, most especially users who contributed in the just-closed Kala token Phase 1 presale and our amazing community support, especially on Telegram. Twitter and Medium have been extraordinary, and we're excited to share these announcements to demonstrate we will keep on earning the trust you have set in us. The team is scheduled to commence the token distribution exercise on Monday, November 1st, 2021. Kala tokens will be distributed in batches to Kala Token's Phase 1 presale contributor. Most of the tokens will be distributed inside the first days, and the rest distributed before the finish of Phase 2 presale. Kala tokens affirm the Cardano network standard. This enables them to integrate with many existing wallets and exchanges. All Cardano wallets have a similar process for adding Cardano local tokens. Your Kala tokens should appear in your Cardano wallet immediately after distribution. ADA Labs will have a sum of 10 million Kala tokens ready to move at its face at an entirely reasonable 0.25 ADA per token rate. The base token you can purchase is 300 ADA, and the most extreme token that can be purchased is 15,000 ADA. This is to permit everybody to actively participate in ADA Labs token at this presale phase before it gets on exchanges after the presale. Also, there will be additional bonus reward for tokens purchased at each stage. The presale Phase 2 has a bonus of 5% for 3 days, starting from November 1st to November 3rd. ADA Labs is also set to dispatch its ADA Labs NFT marketplace before the finish of the presale exercise to show the community a working business plan. ADA Labs protocol is the first community-driven NFT stage building an NFT minting DApp on the Cardano network to empower digital artwork collectors to mint their works as NFTs and interface them to sellers to trade seamlessly later on. ADA Labs team fostered its utility token dubbed Kala Token, which enables the community to participate in governance issues. Besides, by holding the Kala Token, users can moderate creators, vote on proposals, stake their tokens to earn and curate highlighted artwork. ADA Labs has further plans to support DeFi projects as well as enterprise applications through grants, swaps, and different forms of investments. That being said, let's move on to the price predictions and analyze how the future will be for Cardano. Price prediction 2021. Passing by the value movement trend of Cardano, it very well may be effortlessly said that there are solid bullish signals. Global economic and geopolitical trends demonstrate that the market will stay positive for crypto, and this will incline toward ADA more as the blockchain major is dispatching the Alonzo mainnet hard fork to empower savvy contracts. You will see the coin hit $4 as steam before the current year is over. 2022. If we pass by bullish projection, ADA may break the $3.13 resistance level and go further past $6 continuously. In the hyper-bullish crypto scenario, analysts accept it could go further and reach $7 to $10 in 2021. 2023. On the off chance that the crypto trend reverses, ADA, very much like others, could see value miss the mark and reach the current resistance level of $12. In the most dire outcome imaginable, it could fall deeper to $10 level prior to recovering to bounce back to the bullish position. Investors are depending intensely on the accomplishment of the third blockchain upgrade and anticipating that the ADA price should break the $15 level before the year end. 2024. Crypto experts accept that the force is supportive of Cardano, and if the trend proceeds with the ADA could reach $20 level in 2022 with a bullish high of $25 with correction and combination around $20. In the event that it breaks the mental resistance level of 2022, it'll become quicker and is probably going to reach $18 in 2023 and $25 in 2024. 2025. Cryptocurrency setting down deep roots, regardless of the doomsday experts say. Passing by the trend and correction round, it very well may be effectively said that Cardano ADA is holding the fort and making stories with a solid tech push. With booked upgrades, ADA is probably going to keep up with the bullish energy and perform both Bitcoin and Ethereum. It could without much of a stretch move to $35 in September and break the $20 resistance by year end if more extensive opinion stays as before. So that's all for today's video. Do like this video, also subscribe and share to our channel, Cardano News Today. Also, let's know your thoughts and views on ADA in the comment section.